Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, heated seats, power passenger seat, power lift gate, Bose sound system, all-wheel drive, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.